Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the free video. So today I'm going to be talking about the major FAANG stocks. So we've got Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google. Then I like to throw Tesla in there and Adobe as well. So basically what we have right now is the market's weakening up, but these FAANG stocks are holding on pretty strong. And what these FAANG stocks do is really going to depend what ends up happening as far as the overall market direction, because if all of these stocks break down, it's definitely going to weigh down the entire market. However, if they can be leaders and they can start to lead, I mean, they can really take us into a nice end of the year rally. So looking at Microsoft to start off with, Microsoft has pulled back to the 21 EMA, not quite to the 34, didn't quite meet that level yet, but it tried. 21 EMA is a nice pullback, and we don't get that very often in Microsoft. So I like that. I also like that it's squeezing. It still has positive volume for the most part, even though it was edging a little bit lower today. And then it also has a 195-minute squeeze. It did start to trade higher in the after hours too. So, right when the market closed, we started to see a candle kind of shifting higher here. Overall, I am looking for this to break out to the upside. I'm targeting 350, then after that 355, then 360. Apple, of course, was really strong today. Really nice news. Made a new high after hours. Target of 170 on that one. But I mean, Apple can't hold up the NASDAQ all by itself. So it's going to need some help from its friends. I don't really see a trade in Apple besides maybe a lotto trade at 170. Google's kind of Humpty Dumpty sitting on the ledge of the 50 simple. Google has got to hold this level. It did break it just right at the very end of the day, but it ended up recovering during the after hours, and it's up above 2450. So basically my idea with Google is, if this can hold this level and we can start to see our candles shift colors, we can start to see us trade higher. I mean, that could be like the best buy spot into the end of the year. So just depending on where it holds, if it does hold, I mean, I'm looking at selling spreads down here, put credit spreads. You could also target a return to 3,000. The next one is Netflix. I mean, Netflix looks really good right here. It's on the 50 simple. It hasn't pulled back that far in a while. Got a really nice trend on it. It's got a daily squeeze, and during the after hours, it's up a little bit as well. So these are the stocks that, I mean, it's really going to make or break how or exactly what ends up happening with these indices, because I mean, these stocks just make up such a huge portion of the market overall. And if they can hit here and if they can hold and buyers like those dip buyers come in, I mean, this could be the best buy point to set off an end of year rally. It's been challenging for the past couple weeks with a lot of these tickers just up at highs. I mean, it just seemed like forever. I mean, Cloudflare is another one. I love trading this one, and you can't buy it when it's just skyrocketing higher every day for weeks on end. And now that it's pulled back, it's like, oh my gosh, there's volatility and Cloudflare is down. But it's like, well, that's what we need for there to be more buying opportunities, because we can't really buy it in here unless it's just a momentum trade. So Cloudflare is another one that squeeze looks really good. And I know it's been volatile, but I mean, I'm targeting 240. So other than that, watch out for those tickers. If there's a gap down, if these key levels break, that is the time where things might get real crazy. So that would change my analysis, but unless that happens, I'm long and going strong. If you would like to join the man John Carter himself for a webinar tonight, I'm sure whatever he's going to talk about is going to be amazing. So you can sign up for that on the main page of our website. I always enjoy listening to John talk, so I will definitely be there. Other than that, I will see you next time.
Hey traders, it's Danielle here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will never miss the latest take from our trading experts. Did you know that we provide real-time trade alerts so that you know exactly what we're doing, exactly when we're doing it? Go to www.simplertrading.com to learn more. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.